Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Tinder account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on a device and sign in. On the home page, tap your profile at the top left and tap Settings. Here, scroll all the way down and tap Delete Account. To permanently delete your Tinder account means that you will lose all your conversations, likes, matches, and purchases on the account. So tap Delete My Account and choose a reason for deletion. Finally, tap Delete My Account to confirm the process. And that's how you permanently delete your Tinder account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.